Welcome to WOW TV for Kids. Today I want to show you a fun activity we call wiggling worms. You can do this activity at home. Here on the screen you will see all of the supplies you will need. With this activity, when you mix vinegar and baking soda, you will create an incredible chemical reaction. Vinegar's chemical name is acetic acid, and baking soda's chemical name is sodium bicarbonate. And when mixing these two chemicals, you will be able to create and see carbon dioxide bubbles on your gummy worms. Now, where have you heard carbon dioxide before? That's right. We breathe in oxygen, and when we breathe out, it's carbon dioxide. These bubbles will make your worms wiggle and maybe even look like they are dancing. Okay, let's get to our experiment. The first step is to cut your gummy worms long ways to get skinnier pieces. Now, each worm will have a sticky side. You might need to ask an adult for help with this part. Cut each worm into 3 or 4 long strips if you can. Next, fill a cup or glass with warm water and baking soda, and gently place your gummy worms into the mixture. Stir this up and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. While you are waiting, fill the second cup with vinegar. After waiting the 15 to 20 minutes, take your worms out of the baking soda mixture and gently put them into the vinegar. What do you see happening? Do you see carbon dioxide bubbles? Are your worms beginning to wiggle? You know, some gummy worms work better than others. If your worm isn't moving very much, try adding another teaspoon of baking soda into the vinegar. This should create more bubbles. As the vinegar and baking soda react to each other, the carbon dioxide bubbles are forming and will begin to float to the top of your cup. Since you've made skinnier worms, the bubbles will pull the worms up too, making them wiggle and move. Carbon dioxide gas is the same thing that makes our sodas fizz. I hope you had fun with this activity and learned a little more about the gas carbon dioxide. If your parent wants to share a picture of you doing these activities, please post them on Facebook or Twitter with the hashtag WowTV for Kids. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.